När minns ju den tid du gav mig life billar yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunna ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det.
I've been waiting all night.
Good morning, guys. We are already out and about. This girl will not allow me to rest.
Every bad girl. Every good girl.
Like, she won't let me rest, you guys. We're already out and about this morning. We're going grocery shopping and just a couple of things, basically. Look at her.
Sun's out.
Oh my goodness.
It's not gonna go. My face didn't look right out.
Whatever, I think I care. I don't care.
Oh my god.
I don't care.
Wicked friend of mine. So mean to me.
This girl, slow down, please. Some of us don't walk this fast.
I'm obsessed with this bread.
Okay.
If you, I don't know if you want any croissants.
I love croissants, by the way. They're really soft ones. Ooh, I love. Oh yes.
So
all
we can
butter.
Get some and you can have some for breakfast if you want. Pain au chocolat is the ones that
No,
have
I don't want
chocolate.
chocolate. I just want the plain ones. This is the
This is the plain one, though.
So yeah, one of that is good for me. But everything here smells so good.
So I love M&S.
Oh, it smells. Oh, everything smells so good.
They also got little brioche rolls too, but I just get the bread. So
Okay. You
so
just have the
it.
bread, so that's fine. Everything smells
Alright,
so
let me
fresh.
take off girl.
It is. It looks so good. I swear.
I also love this cake. This is my favorite album. The coconut and raspberry loaf cake. This is delicious. It's like jam with coconut. It tastes so good actually. But I'm trying not to buy it because
You're trying to lose
change
weight.
my life.
You're trying to lose weight.
Exactly. The way that
I don't know why my eyes entering. My eyes are entering this. You know what? Let's go.
So nice. The sweet dip and chili. Sometimes I buy fried chicken and dip this in it, and it tastes so good. What do you call it? What do you call this again?
Coffee now.
Coffee, but my instant coffee. Instant, yeah. Like the one I don't have to actually make. Like it's just instant
Yeah,
coffee.
you just make it up.
Yeah, so it's just done.
You know, I said I wanted cereal, right?
Yeah.
You're not from here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So I need.
Apple and watermelon. Ooh.
I'll tell you what I love.
Apple, raspberry, and rhubarb.
There's one I love, not the apple and ginger.
That's okay.
I like. The thing is, I can't buy yogurt right now. I think I'll just leave the raspberries. Okay, there. This is the raspberries. I'm gonna leave the raspberries because I don't have. There's no yogurt here.
Better
I may
strawberries.
still not buy the strawberries from here, but yeah. This is the 25th. So for me, expiry date is what I'm looking for. Even though it will last me the longest, I don't have to buy them for a while. So. Where the scanning meets the camera. This is good to reach £20. Yeah. So I can still enjoy spending money in other places. How much? This is going to cost me $105 for this tiny little cup.
Isn't it?
I'm trying to get some whipping. It's for pancakes, Alma. Oh my god, I love
buttercream
clotted cream, yeah. This is so nice, Alma. What do they call it?
These things are expensive in Nigeria. Do you take a lot of this? Because these things are so expensive in Nigeria. I see people use this stuff. It's just Oatly, yeah. It's just £169, and then I don't know how much they sell this in Nigeria. The places that you can actually find it. A lot of people actually like this stuff.
It was all good till the love came in.
morning, guys. Good morning. Eunice is making me breakfasts. Pancakes. Ooh. My friend has been taking very good care of me. Oh my God. She's been taking such good care of me, guys. And do you know that last night I came down with something? Ah, look at how my face is glowing. Hey, God. This is my destiny. I'm supposed to be living in Obodoyibo. Look at how my face is. What? Wait, hold up. Hey, God, I beg. Well, anyways, I was coming down with something yesterday, guys. Like the stress of traveling. My trip was not like stressful per se. I mean, I flew directly to London, but on landing in London, I was on the immigration line for more than an hour. Like the part where you get to UK border control, you know, passport control, the line for those of us that were with other passports aside, you know, American passports, UK passports, Canadian passports and all of that, the line was so long. I was on that line for close to an hour. I'm not even joking with you guys. So I feel like me being already tired from that trip, I was already like knackered. And even though by the time I got to like an immigration officer, I didn't waste more than 2-3 minutes there, you know, but like the queue, it was crazy. And by the way, did I tell you that the immigration officer was so what's the word now, pumped that I was a YouTuber?
Oh, yeah.
When I told him that, you know, I'm a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, he was like, okay. And then he brings out his phone, he checks out my channel, and he was like, oh my God, you know. So he was like fully pumped about him. So that's like a tip for you if you're a content creator or a YouTuber visiting London. But yeah, so you know, and then the stress, you know, using the train from Heathrow all the way down to North London where my friend lives, you know, it wasn't stressful because we didn't change any train. We just used a direct line, right? It was long. Yeah, but it was really long, you know. And then yesterday, not like we stayed home to rest, we went out. So like yesterday evening, my body just said, you know what, madam, it's enough. My body literally, one thing about me, if I'm stressed and I have like a drastic change in environment and weather, my body will react. So I started having an itchy throat, started sneezing non-stop, heaviness of the head. I'm just like, okay, here we go. But this is my wonderful darling friend over here, this girl over here, she made me one concussion like this. Like, oh my God, I felt like I wasn't going to be able to sleep. I was so worried and I was so sure that today I would just be useless. But she legit made me lemon and honey. Like she actually put like the lemon slices, the honey, you know. Did you put any tea? It was just hot water, honey, lemon slices and cayenne pepper. Like, I wasn't telling her, I beg, I don't want any pepper. She said, nope, it's going to help. You guys, within 1 hour after drinking this tea, hey, everything started going. I was like, wait, huh? I woke up this morning like a baby. I'm still sniffing. I may still blow my nose once in a while, but nothing compared to how I felt last night. Legit. This guy is a magician.
Natural remedy.
She's a magician, I'm telling you. I feel so good this morning. I feel pumped. So we're gonna have breakfast. We're going to take a shower. We're going to head out. We have some places to go to today. And you guys will come along with me. Because why are you watching me? Living my life in the UK. In the UK. Oh, pancakes are looking good. Pancakes are looking good. I am very excited. Pancakes. Oh my God. Woo. Look at this. Isn't my friend the best? Isn't my friend the best host? Hey. I wish Mia was here. Mia loves pancakes. Her absolute favorite breakfast.
Aww.
She loves it.
My baby gal.
Yep, she does. Ooh, let's look. Look at this. Come on. Hey, I feel like I walked into like a restaurant and I ordered pancakes or something because the presentation is out of this world. Okay, I love it. Yes, baby.
Would you like a hot chocolate or do you actually want your cranberry juice?
Cranberry, baby.
Okay.
Cranberry. Let me have my cranberry juice.
We'll get some more for you then.
Okay. Yeah, please. I'm excited. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. I'm gonna have me
A travel packet. I know you used the other one.
That's why your syrup is always finished.
I know, that's why I'm
Look at how you, Jesus Christ.
This I have to put on to get this look.
How many do you
Eunice.
What's that, my love?
It's so nice.
use? 10.
Thank you.
This pancake is so nice. It's very fluffy
Yeah, that's
and creamy.
That's why I put the baking powder to make it more fluffy. And then I use normal milk as well, but I use buttermilk.
But I can say something very creamy in it.
Deserve everything coming to them.
I don't know who this person is.
Me neither.
I don't know who this is. I don't know who this is. But woo! Come on.
Rockstar.
Yes, rockstar Alma. Hey. Okay, I'm wearing this leather jack from my friend's closet because why are we friends? I'm wearing a pair of leggings. I'm wearing this lilac t-shirt from my lilac and shorts coordinates set thing. Wearing my big curly hair because I feel like it. Sunglasses from Shein, but I may switch to a different one. And my friend is dressed. We're almost twinning, do you know? We're almost twinning because you're wearing lilac. Yeah, she's wearing lilac. Oh, we're literally almost twinning. Ooh, ooh,
Okay, let's go.
ooh, 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 ooh. Where are you going? Oh.
Actually, I should have worn my sunglasses to be fair.
Oh,
It's quite a warm day.
it's a warm day. Oh, wow, that's huge. So where do I? There's so many people. Jesus. Where do I now take?
Well, we could obviously I can get you somewhere
At the
here.
fountain,
Yeah,
yeah.
the fountain.
Yeah.
To a lion, whatever. I'll find ways to cut people out.
I remember when we came earlier, 2013, Charles and I, we took pictures here. I don't forget.
Alma, you look good. Okay, I have no makeup on,
I
alright?
told you to wear makeup, you refused.
Yeah, it's just I don't wear makeup usually. Thank God for my country. When I went to America, I'm like, what the hell is this?
Everything you have to pay
You
for
pay
it.
to go in. I'm like, what kind of life is this? I understand if you want to go to see a specific exhibition, fair enough, you have to pay for that. But to go in, you should be able to enter for free and just see the general stuff in there.
Can we just go in briefly?
But
10
I
minutes.
love-
Is there a queue to go in?
There is Alma.
Well.
And the time we have a
Yeah, we don't have so much time. Yeah, we have to go see our movie. So, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to spend too much time. Yeah, I know I have to go to London Bridge.
London Bridge is actually a boring ass bridge.
I know.
It's not pretty.
I
the
know.
actual pretty bridge is Tower Bridge.
That's
That's the one.
yes,
Tower Bridge
actually.
is the one that is actually the one
Yeah.
where everyone goes to.
Then that's the one
for
we'll
the
go
photos.
to.
Well, we can because they're all kind of near each other, so we can go to London Bridge Station and just keep walking across the river till we
We'll
get
go to
there.
Tower Bridge, definitely.
Yeah.
guys, we just came out of the cinema. I saw Equalizer 3 and it was so good. This bathroom is so aesthetically pleasing though. Like, wow, so nice. Very nice actually. It's been a very eventful day. So what are we doing next?
We're going to grab dinner.
Going to grab dinner, early dinner, because it's just like 5 p.m.
Yeah, because I don't eat after like 7 later.
Yeah. So we're gonna grab pasta, right?
Yes.
Pasta.
You want pasta?
Yeah, I don't mind pasta. Eunice. You okay?
I am, love. Don't be recording me.
Yeah, go ahead. Let's eat.
They want to take it.
Guys, the walking in this London, the walking in this London, my body is not used to it.
Do you want to? Are your feet clean now, Mark?
My feet are clean.
Okay, cool. Those things you want to wash it and then
see this place like this. Here like this. Here like this.
Sorry.
All the waka don't waka. I'm only 3 days old in London, and my feet are already. So my darling friend, my baby, is giving me a foot massage. See, gets you good friends. If you don't have good friends, I'm sorry for you. I am sorry for you if you don't have good friends.
The pins on my tongue.
The pins, you see here, yeah, this place and there. And the back.
The back of where?
And the like my heel. She's even using correct massage oil for me. Hey, God, where is your friend? Where are your friends? If you don't have any friend, I'm sorry. I am sorry. Get you a good friend like my friend, dear. I don't even want to go anywhere else in this UK. I only want to live in this house.
You're a fool, Alma.
I know. China. Hey, ewo, Ezeboyim. Ezeboyim. That's my very good friend, baby. Don't know how people do it in this country. Una de waka no be small. Hey, get it. Una de waka for this country. Jesus Christ. Upon with all the trace, people, everybody's on the freaking move. Like, I'm just like, what is going on? Pia, 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 pia. If you are slow, you'll be feeling like you are odd, like something is wrong with you.
Honestly, it pisses me off when people are walking slowly. I'm like,
get out of the way.
Thank you. Like, you have all the time in the world. People have places to be. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, man.
Get out right here. People are in a hurry, jumping trains, jumping buses, walking. It's a lot. It's a lot, I beg. I miss being inside motor.
Sorry.
I really miss being inside motor.
But then you yourself, you have said you have a glow up.
Yeah, oh guys.
So this is where the glow up is, my
See,
love.
forget it. I'm glowing. Even I called my sister last night and my mama was like, what's going on? Why are you looking fresh? It's only 3 days. I say, me, I don't know. London loves me. See my skin glowing now. Hey, wahala. Hi, at least I go feel waka tomorrow if you massage my leg like this.